In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Wi-Fi and opt into the SteamVR beta on Steam. First, let's get your computer on the right network. Look at the system tray on your desktop, usually at the bottom right, and click the Wi-Fi icon to open the list of available networks. From there, select the Wi-Fi you want to use for your PC. After you've clicked that network, look for a small circle or information icon next to it. Click that to open the connection details and settings. In the network profile section, make sure the connection is set to private. Choosing private tells your computer you trust this network, which enables device discovery and smooth local communication that many apps, including VR tools, rely on. It's the recommended option for home networks. If you're on a shared or public hotspot, avoid switching to private. Use it only on a trusted home or office network. With your network set correctly, let's move over to Steam. Open Steam and go to your home or library view so you can see your installed titles and tools. In the search bar, type SteamVR to quickly find it. When SteamVR appears in your list, right-click it to open the context menu, then select Properties. This brings up a window with several sections on the left. Click on the Beta section. Here you'll see a panel labeled Beta Participation. Open the drop-down menu to view the available branches and choose the option labeled Beta, SteamVR Beta Update. As soon as you select it, Steam will enroll your SteamVR installation into the beta branch. You may notice a short download or update begin in your library as Steam pulls the latest beta files. That's normal and can take a few moments depending on your connection. Opting into the beta gives you early access to new features, improvements, and fixes before they roll into the general release. Keep in mind that beta builds can occasionally include minor issues or performance changes, so if you run into anything unexpected later, you can return to the same betas menu and switch the dropdown back to none to leave the beta. To recap, you clicked the Wi-Fi icon, selected your network, opened the small info control, and set the network profile to private for a trusted home setup. Then in Steam, you search for SteamVR for SteamVR, right-clicked it, opened Properties, went to Betas, opened Beta Participation, and chose the Beta SteamVR Beta Update branch. You're all set to explore the latest SteamVR features on a secure, properly configured connection.